best part of working for Australia Post is that it's an Australian icon. We really hold a nostalgic position in the hearts of Australians.
Australia Post is a great place to work. We've got a really good culture, a really diverse culture.
The range of roles that Australia Post recruits for is almost anything you can think of.
Processing people for our letters and parcels facilities, van drivers, truck drivers.
Corporate lawyers, all the way through to HR and talent acquisition professionals.
There are no other companies in Australia who hire posties, so we can't go to those companies and look for people with that specific experience.
Australia Post would definitely be missing out if we weren't using Indeed as part of our sourcing strategy. It would be remiss of us as an organisation when we're trying to attract such an array of talent that we would just rely on one or two ways to do that, because we wouldn't be hitting all the segments that we actually need to hit.
Using Indeed, we've been able to go out to market and find candidates in a quickly and timely manner compared to what we have been previously. The quality of candidates has been very strong.
Indeed's really helpful in targeting those specific areas and making sure that we're not just advertising in a sort of area, but in a specific suburb or specific location.
One of the benefits that we have of working with Indeed is the aggregation feature, where we are taking all our jobs from our website and that's automatically being placed on the Indeed platform. Then we put money behind each of those roles to really promote and make sure it appears in front of the right target audience.
I think the relationship with Indeed is the critical path to our success. Indeed has really taken the time to understand our business, spend a lot of time in our business. They're experts, they're passionate and they really care, and they work very closely with us to make sure that we're actually getting the results that we need.
Indeed's been fantastic in terms of supporting the consultants, so running training sessions with the team in terms of being able to optimise how they use Indeed.
Look at our data and analytics, make suggestions, and they're willing to do anything, and partner with us and train the team or talk to the leadership team about things that we could do differently. And I find that's actually what helps us deliver quick results for the business.